On this episode, we're going to be going over Giraffe Tools 2200 PSI hose reel with 100 feet of hose. So stay tuned. So it's completely up to you where you want to place it on the sidings of your home. For me, I'm going to place it about 3 to 4 feet of my driveway because it's a lot more accessible to the water source and the power source, so you make up that decision. So what's great about this is it has this base where you can slide this on and off, and you can place this anywhere, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to screw it right onto our sidings. I'm going to place it right about this height because that's ergonomically good for where I'm going to be using it. I'm going to place the base at this height. Make sure it's nice and leveled. And these do come with lag bolts and anchors. I'm just going to be using the lag bolts for these because I'm going to go straight to the stud. Make my job faster, I'm going to be using this bit for my drill. And now we can just slide this right on top. Came with this water inlet adapter. Now we can attach it with this hose that it came with. If you have a faucet nearby, then you're good, but I don't, so I'm just going to attach my regular garden hose with the adapter. Now I'm going to attach the high pressure water gun. Quick and easy attachment. Just insert and twist. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to connect. I just found this in the box. It did come with the level. I was using my level the whole time. Oops. So the pressure washer comes with these various types of nozzles. Insert your quick disconnects and connects. On the gun, you can place them right here, like that, so you can easily access them. So I'm going to start off with the red first, and to insert it, all you gotta do is pull back. Also come with this attachment right here. You can put any type of soap that you want to make suds, and you just attach it, and you can spray soap, do a little quick car wash and whatnot. So that's pretty awesome. About 100 foot of hose here. Easy. You just pull it out like this, whatever you want, like that. And right when if you want to retract it back, you just pull back real fast, kind of like a seat belt, and it'll go and wind back up. So we got it all hooked up to power. We got hooked up to water, which is going to that hose. I'm gonna turn it on and let's test it out. And let's try out the white one. Try out the orange nozzle. Let's try out the green one. pull this and it should retract back. So this is about 100 foot of hose. I can actually go halfway around my home and pressure wash the sidings, the walkway, anywhere pretty much where this thing reaches. As you can tell, you can do it where you wash your cars as well. So this is a long enough hose to reach many types. You can wash your gutters with this, you can sidings. Very powerful. It's 2200 PSI. So thank you, Giraffe Tools, for sponsoring today's video. Once again, friends, if you're interested on this product, I'll leave it in the description down below. Let me know also in the comment section what you think of this product. If you found this video helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, subscribe, and notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, in the next product review video.